Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith, and if you're new here, I make videos all about the behind the scenes of a candle business. And today we're gonna get started making all the candles for a fall pop-up shop. I just got accepted into a fall event September 23rd. It is now August, what day is it? 25th or something like that. And I wanna get started making all the candles and the room sprays now so that I don't have to do it later or be tied up last minute trying to get things done. So we're gonna make what I have. I actually have to place a supply order, get more jars, get more wax, and I think that's it. I have all the fragrance oils that I need. We're gonna get started with that. And what else do I need to announce? That is it for now. So, oh, actually, and I'm so excited. My sister-in-law, remember in a couple videos back, I was helping her get her Etsy shop set up. We never actually did that because she decided not to launch on Etsy. So she's going to be doing something completely different. She's still debating what to do. But I'm excited for her because she's gonna be doing this pop-up with me, and it's her very first. So of course she's freaking out because she's like, oh my God, I gotta do so many things. I gotta get so many things ready. But I'm like, relax, I got you. Here's my list. You need X, Y, Z, A, B, C, blah, blah, blah. And she's like, oh my God, this is too much. And I'm like, girl, once you do your first pop-up, you'll be good to go for the next. So I'm really excited. We're actually going to be sharing a booth. It's a 10 by 10 space. I personally asked the vendor if we can just share a space because she doesn't have that much product to showcase, and I felt like she makes soaps and hair care and natural skincare products, and it would go beautifully with my candles and things and room sprays. So it's all like a nice homey experience for people. So it's going to be really dope. So I'm helping her set up her her signs that she needs, her price list and stuff like that. So that's gonna be a good time. Actually, I'm letting her do that on her own, but if she needs help, she knows she can, lean on me and I'll help her. But I wanna let her try to figure out how to do all those things out. But I'm gonna be there to support her and coach her all throughout the way. Guys, I'm interrupting this video to let you know that my one-on-one consulting sessions are officially open for October. A few of you guys have booked time with me already, and I'm super excited and nervous about that. I always get nervous for things like that. I don't know why. But you get 60 minutes of my undivided attention to help you with candle recipes, small business advice, marketing, social media, anything and everything. I'll leave the link below where you can book a session. I only ask that once you book, you provide me with a summary of some of the topics that you want to discuss. I just want to make sure that it's still within my expertise of me being able to help you. I would never want to take your money and me not able to provide advice on the matter. So book your session with me and let's talk. Ellie is napping and I need to make a ton of these tea light tins for our fall pop-up. I might as well get a head start on restocking everything. So I need some more cabin woods, mimosa, sea salt. I think Palo Santo I have enough. Bamboo, coconut I need to do, eucalyptus. What else do we have? Costa Rica. Basically quite a few I need to make. So yeah, Maldives is a great seller for me, so I need to restock that. I'm definitely jumping ahead and getting started on all of the inventory I need for the pop-up so that this way I'm not leaving it for last minute and time doesn't creep up on me. So let's get started with that now. Okay, so sometimes I get so wrapped up in what I'm doing that I forget to hit record on the camera. You would think that, I've been doing this for so long already that I would know, and it's like second nature, just hit record. But anyway, I got some of my stuff set up here to make the tea lights. I've been going crazy trying to print out warning labels for these little tea light tins because they're very specific to the 1 ounce. It's not the generic, trim your wick to this and burn to that, because these are smaller. And I was printing out all of my labels for the tea lights and making sure that I have enough before I even get started. And you guys know my little trick that I've been doing for a very long time. When I use my Eco 4 wicks for my mini birthday cake jar, I save the trimmings. And then I have, where is it? Oh, over here. So I've been saving the trimmings for about a year now. These are all of my trimmings. And then these are my wick tabs. And I go ahead and I make wicks for my little tea lights because even though these are tea lights, they are bigger than the normal half-ounce tea light, and it can't be lit with the tea light wick. You need something a little bit bigger. In my situation, because of the wax I use and fragrance oil and everything, it doesn't work for me. It may work for you. Every wax is different. So I've done some testing, and the Eco 4s trimmed to the perfect height work best for me when it comes to these little tins. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna start making wicks, and I love it because with just this little bit of the wick left, I can probably make like 4 wicks for these tea lights. So that's another way you can save lots of money within your company. I woke up and I didn't have time to make those little wicks, so we started pouring larger candles, and I have this cooling right now, and I'm making sea salt and eucalyptus peppermint for the pop-up event. I'm just making small little batches because you already know my situation with the table. I think for this event, I'm only bringing 5 of each fragrance. I have 12 different fragrances. So actually I was only gonna bring 4 of each fragrance, but I don't know why I decided to do 5 of these 2. I think I miscalculated and I just started pouring extra, so I already had the wax poured, so I was like, all right, let me just do 5. But anyway, yep, that's what we're doing. I've mentioned it before on my channel, but whenever I'm ready to take product photos of a particular fragrance that I don't have already made, I'll take a candle from another fragrance and on the back print the label of the current fragrance, or I can just remove it. But I'll do this, and I'll, take product photos, overlay this way or this way like that. And it's just a quick and easy way to take new product photos with the correct label of a new scent that's coming out. This is how I prepare for fall. I'm gonna be doing the same thing with my winter collection as well. You can even Photoshop the names on here if you're really good at that. I'm not. I have a couple of photos that are Photoshopped with the updated name. I think it looks okay. I don't think most people notice it. Actually, I feel like nobody notices, but if you pay really close attention to some of my photos, you may or may not notice it. I'll see if I can maybe find a photo of something that's not Photoshopped and something that is, so I can put it up on screen to see if you guys can tell the difference. But yep, this is what I do. I'm gonna be taking some fall photos, and hopefully I can find some inspiration and take something new and different. Happy Saturday morning. We're here getting through some wholesale orders. I have one that I am trying to finish up so I can ship that out first, but then I have another one that is a super large order. So that one's gonna take some time, and I will probably ship that out Sunday with UPS. It's been around 66, 65 degrees in New York lately, so I am good with shipping things over the weekend. Plus, this is going to Pennsylvania, so it'll probably get there next day anyway. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. And the studio is still a hot mess because we have boxes all over the place. And what else is happening in the studio today? I think that's it. We're really just getting through all this stuff. Dying to reuse this. These are some cushions that came in my daughter's meal plans. We order these little meals for her in the mail, and it comes with these little cushion things, and I was like, this is gonna be perfect for when I have a wholesale order. It's gonna give it lots of extra protection. So Always reuse and repurpose. Hey guys, so I don't normally do this, but I am on my way to meet up with a subscriber that I bumped into at a Kevin Hart concert, and she was talking to me, telling me how she's starting a small business and that she'd love to connect. And since we live in the same area, we're doing it. Yeah, so we're gonna go meet up with her. I don't know why I'm nervous. I feel like it's a date or something.
Passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Okay, so it's the next morning and I got all of these candles done last night. I have the AC blasting right now because it's super hot outside, and we're gonna get to work trimming these wicks, cleaning the jars, and labeling everything. So let's go.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it.
Hey guys, so it's been a crazy day. I did manage to get through the rest of the second batch of candles for the pop-up that I'm gonna be taking. It was a really rough day because Ellie wasn't feeling too good, so I was, obviously tending to that. But once she was able to settle down and take a nap, I got through what you just saw, me labeling and wicking, trimming the wicks of the other candles. And this is the second batch that I actually just poured some of my Destination Collection fragrances, and I'm even doing some tin cans and prepping that. Oh, and I'm so upset because I just realized I actually don't have enough lids for all of my jars. So now I have to make another supply order, which I hate doing, like random one-off supply orders, because I feel like it ends up costing so much more. But whatever, I'm gonna do that to place another order for tin cans and see whatever else I can get. Since I'm doing an order, I might as well do it at the same time. But yeah, that was today. And I think tonight, what time is it right now? It's 4:18. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna let this set and I'll get to that tomorrow. I'm done and I'm kind of shot. Okay, so this is the third batch of candles I'm making for the pop-up. I labeled everything, cleaned the jars, and lidded everything I needed to, and they're in the box. You guys didn't see that happen, but it did, trust me. And look at this. Why don't I have lids on this? Because I don't have enough lids. So that's annoying. I had to make a separate order just to get more lids to cover the jars. So I did that. We're just making a couple of tins right now. And then I need to make my room sprays. And I need to trim these to the perfect length to fit inside of these bottles.